What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Got Rainey here with me.
What's up, guys?
We're back at you with another box of 2017-18 Optic Basketball. In this box, you get 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box, and you get 1 autograph per box. Rainey, ready to rip into this?
Let's do it, man. Let's keep the ball rolling.
Let's see what we got, man. Let's see.
Gold vinyl, maybe?
Gold vinyl? You calling it or you not?
I don't know if I'll Babe Ruth this one.
Yeah.
Actually, I should set the standards low so we're not disappointed.
Yeah. Let's shoot for 2 numbered cards.
Let's get a base of Tatum.
Let's get a base of Tatum. Okay, base of Tatum, huh? All right, here we go. 2017-18 Optic.
Fun stuff already.
And we're going to start off with a Tyler Lydon rookie card. Devin Booker. We got Clyde the Glide Drexler Retro Series insert. The old school Blazers. And Anthony Davis.
So did he really shave it or not, or was it a troll?
No,
I thought it was a
he
troll.
trolled. Yeah. It's an April Fool's thing.
Yeah.
All right, we got a rated rookie of Ivan Robb. Alec Burks. Tyler Lydon. Rated rookie hollow. And Klay Thompson. All right, we got a Markelle Fultz rookie card. Elfrid Payton. Oh, we got a rated rookie orange right here, man.
There we go.
Let's see what this.
Oh.
Lonzo Ball. Orange rated rookie out of 199. That is a sick card.
Mm-hmm.
And Al Horford.
Trying to make the hang low swing a little bit.
Yeah. And we got the base of Lonzo Ball. And Benjamin Simmons.
I like this box. Pretty
Yeah, I know.
impressive.
Got a Kawhi Leonard All-Stars. And D'Angelo Russell. Got a Wayne Selden rookie card. Got Kyle Lowry. Got an Optic Hollow Retro Series of Sharif Abdul-Rahim. And this is on the Vancouver Grizzlies. Back in the day.
Good stuff.
And Dirk Nowitzki. We got a Zach Randolph. Oh, we got another pink.
Pink.
Zach Randolph. Got a rated rookie of Jarrett Allen. Got a Chandler Parsons pink velocity.
Those are sick looking.
Yeah, they are really nice looking. That's numbered to 79. 27 to 79. It's 2 off jersey there.
Yep.
And CP3. All right, got a Jonathan Simmons. Got a Justin Jackson rated rookie. Oh, that's slick looking, man. That is slick. It's just a hollow insert, all clear for takeoff. Durant.
That's our first hollow of that.
Yeah, it looks nice. Wow.
Sick.
And Goran Dragic. That's a slick card, man.
Like the carbon fiber, like.
Yeah.
At the top.
Got a rookie of Dylan Brooks. Rudy Gobert. Got a Swishful Thinking insert of Russell Westbrook. And Paul Millsap. Yeah, those Swishful Thinkings, they kind of look like 90s inserts for some reason. We got this guy.
Who's that guy?
Gershon Yabba. I don't even want to. I know I'm butchering the hell out of it. Kawhi Leonard. Oh, that's sweet.
Oh.
An orange. David West, the champ, is here. Numbered 99 of 99.
Cool.
Pretty cool looking. Maybe it's a red. I guess it's a red since it's numbered.
Yeah.
Or since it's numbered to 99. And a Lou Williams. Still no Tatum base. OG. JJ. Champus here, Shaq. That is a cool card. And Bobby Portis. There's Milos Teodosic. Frank Mason /49. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa, that's sick.
Rookie Dominators Frank Mason III /49.
Did he play on, what, Kansas?
Yeah, he was Kansas. Yep. We got a holo of Patrick Beverly and Rajon Rondo. Rudy Gay. A John Collins rookie card. All clear for takeoff of James Harden insert. And Wesley Matthews. Joel Embiid. Dwayne Bacon. Got a holo of Marcin Gortat. And Jeff Teague. DeMar DeRozan. Terrence Ferguson rookie card. Got an All-Stars of Anthony Davis and Draymond Green. Got Ike Anigbogu, or I guess rookie card.
That'll work.
Is that a green? Another green there? Cool. Al-Farouq Aminu. TJ Leaf, lime green. Numbered to 175. Oh, those cards are so slick, though.
I know.
And each one more. Caleb Swanigan rookie card. DeJounte Murray. All clear for takeoff DeMar DeRozan. And Eric Gordon. Tyler Dorsey, Serge Ibaka, All-Stars of Isaiah Thomas, and Hassan Whiteside. We got 3 packs left. Still no Jason Tatum. Harry Giles rookie card. Eric Bledsoe, a retro series of John Stockton, and Nikola Jokic. No, Jalen.
No.
Doug McDermott. Rated rookie of Lauri Markkanen. Justice Winslow holo. And Jaylen Brown. And last pack. We got a George Hill. Is that another green? Oh, slick. George Hill. TJ Leaf, rated rookie. Got a Pascal Siakam.
Cool.
Lime green, numbered to 175. Man, these cards look nice.
Yeah.
And DeAndre Jordan. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very, very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.